Important road markings and tips on the road for your driving test. Bus lane. Single yellow line bus lane timing. Monday to Friday, from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., from 5 to 8 p.m. Marked by a single yellow line, normal bus lanes are reserved solely for approved vehicles during peak hours. If you need to turn left during the bus lane timing, you will need to wait till the dotted yellow line, before keeping to the left lane and turn left. Mandatory give way to buses scheme. When nearing a bus stop, motorists will first see two triangular give way markings on the road. These markings indicate that motorists approaching these bus stops need to slow down and come to a complete stop before the give way line, and give way to buses if there is exiting the bus bay. It will be a traffic offense if motorists do not give way to buses, or if they stay in the yellow box marked give way to buses. Pedestrian crossings. Vehicle approaching the pedestrian crossing will need to slow down, and shall stop the vehicle in order to give way to pedestrians or cyclists, who is starting to cross or approaching the zebra crossing. Lane discipline. Keep to the left lane automatically after making right turn, U-turn or overtaking, unless is a bus lane timing, or instruction given by tester to turn right or U-turn. Familiarization of road. Take note of certain test routes that may need you to go straight, but instead the lane marking or the arrow is showing left turn only. Example of one of CDC test route which has to go straight. So testee has to change lane automatically to the right. If not, the lane will go into the expressway KPE. School zone. Drivers has to drive carefully to beware of school students, as is a school zone. Blind spot. Checking blind spot too early, too late during turning, or head not turning to the correct area, will result in getting demerit points during the test. The proper checking is to turn your head over your shoulder, and look at the second window. Switch off your hand phone, or put to silent to avoid any distraction, during your driving test.